What could a setup of an UX improvement project look like? In general, a clear process and project management are required. There are masses of process proposals out there, and yes, while we are going to focus on one specific approach, other processes can do the job as well. Let me recommend the following process phases for UX improvement projects. Knowledge and learning. This phase helps to understand why a customer strategy is needed, what general options you have to improve your user experience, and what skills will be required. Discover and plan. This second phase gathers information about your specific UX aspects and environment. Unlike the first phase, where options are considered in general, this phase focuses on the options that help your users. Deliver and measure. This phase is all about putting your UX strategy into action by executing a well-defined UX roadmap. Sustain. Finally, this phase ensures the review and update process of your strategy based on the changing business context of your organization. Let's have a closer look to these phases and the main activities involved. A first version of your UX strategy is covered in the Discover and Plan phase. Prior to this, it is important to be aware of several aspects, including strategies such as your company and IT strategy or SAP's UX strategy. For more details, why not watch the video Why Should I Create My Own UX Strategy? See the link below in the video description. Of course, there is more knowledge required in phase 1. In particular, your technical options and new applications that you can adopt from SAP to provide an improved user experience. Discover and Plan is the step where you will start analyzing your user base, your IT environment, and your resulting options for improvement in more detail. This is obviously also the step where a first version of your strategy comes up. This is a draft version, as many factors will not be identified before this phase. It might require slight changes to your strategy missions. Another important part of this phase is the execution of several proof of concepts that validate your ideas and plans for improving the user experience of your users. By the end of Discover and Plan, you should have your validated UX strategy ready. The creation of a detailed UX roadmap can now begin. This roadmap is your execution plan for your UX project and defines all actions to deliver according to your strategy. Ideally, this roadmap also includes KPIs for a number of actions so that the results can be measured at the end of this phase. Are there any other factors to consider? Of course, there are. In subsequent videos, we will review the project phases and discuss other activities that are often included. So stay tuned. If you want to start straight away with the knowledge and learning phase, you could review your technical options using SAP UX Explorer or the SAP Innovation Discovery for a review of UX relevant innovations brought to you by SAP Business Suite. Even if you are not ready to start right now, you can request one of the SAP services that can help you on-site. Links to these locations can be found below in the video description. If you like this video, let us know and leave a comment. Do you want to see more videos? Go to sap.com UX Explorer.